Welcome back. Now, it's quite possible that you will want affiliates to actually market your product on their behalf. So, in order to do that, you'll need to have those individuals have their own Rocketr account, and then you're going to give them a specific link. And to find that link, you're going to go inside all products. This is where you'll see all of your products. You are going to take this link, right click it, click the copy list address, and that is the link that you will be giving to your affiliates. So once that affiliate is inside of their account, they will go to the products area. You'll want to give them the product ID. Then they will click register to be an affiliate. Rocketr will tell them that they have successfully registered to be an affiliate. It'll give them the product price, their affiliate percentage, and then they will have a page that will actually keep track of their sales as they generate them. Now, one thing that you will want to do is you will want to give them a video with the process of opening up an account and finding this link. You want to provide that link to them so that it would be easy for them to actually apply and then to begin to make sales. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.